Hello students, in the previous video on basic concepts in geometry, we had learned about coordinates of points and distance between two points. Today we shall be learning about collinear and non-collinear points. On this screen there are 5 points A, B, C, D and E. If I take a line passing through them, let's see what happens. If I take point A and E, we see that the line contains all the given set of points, that is points A, B, C, D and E are all contained on this line. So such points are called as collinear points. Now if I move this line, let's see what happens. If I take this line and move it, now the line does not contain point B, C and D. Therefore, now these points are called as non-collinear points. So what are collinear points? Points which lie on the same line are called as collinear points, and all those points which are not contained on the same line are called as non-collinear points. Now, having understood what are collinear and non-collinear points, let's go to the next concept, that is betweenness. Now if I take P, Q and R to be 3 distinct collinear points, then there are 3 possibilities. Let's take one possibility at a time. Here point Q is between points P and R. So when such a case happens, then we can say the distance between P and Q plus the distance between Q and R will be equal to distance PR. Clear students? Now what about be the second possibility? In the second possibility, here point R is between points P and Q. So what can we say? We can say that distance PR plus distance RQ is equal to distance PQ. So I'm sure by now you can guess what would be the third possibility. Yes, it will be point P lies between R and Q. Therefore you can say that distance RP plus distance PQ will be equal to distance RQ or QR. Now note, if you have A, B and C to be 3 distinct points such that distance AC is equal to distance AB plus distance BC, then what can we conclude? That these points are collinear. In what way it will be collinear? Here AC is the greatest distance. So which point will be between the other two? Point B will be between point A and C. So we can say that points A, B and C are collinear, and the betweenness is shown as A dash B dash C or C dash B dash E. See, note students, here AC is the greatest distance. So A and C will be towards the extreme, and the third alphabet, that is B, the third point will come in the center. Clear? Now let's see what happens in the next case. If you take points A, B, C are 3 again distinct points such that now the distance is not equal. When it was equal, the points were collinear. Now when it is not equal, the greater distance is not equal to the sum of the other two, then what can we conclude? We can say that the points are non-collinear, and if they are non-collinear, definitely betweenness will not exist. Okay, having understood this, let's proceed to exercise 1, practice set 1.1, the third sub question. From the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. If the points are collinear, state so. Now let's take the first example. Here distance PR is 7, distance PQ is 10 and distance between Q and R is 3. Now first of all students, we have to find out whether the points are collinear or not. Now in the solution, first what we have to do is pick up the greatest distance. Let's pick up the greatest distance and call it as 1. Then what we have to do? We have to add the other two distances, other two smaller distances. Here which are the smaller distances? 7 and 3. So distance PR is 7 and distance QR is 3. So you will add these two distances in this manner. So distance PR plus distance QR is equal to 7 plus 3, which is equal to 10. We call this as statement number 2. Now from 1 and 2, what can you say? We can say that distance PQ is equal to this distance PR plus distance QR. Now when we have seen earlier, when this condition gets satisfied, what can we say? That the points are collinear. That means points P, Q and R will be collinear. But which point will lie between the other two? It is this point. Wherever you are adding and the point that is common, that point will lie between these two. Okay, so we write the statement like this. Points P, Q and R are collinear such that point R is between P and Q. The betweenness is shown as P dash, R dash, Q, or Q dash, R dash, P. Now since the points are collinear, these 3 points have to lie on a line. So we need to draw the figure. So this is the figure which contains line which contains point P, R and Q. And since the betweenness is R is in between P and Q, we have to take point R in between P and Q. Let's go take up another sum. We take the next sum. Distance RS is 8, distance ST is 6 and distance RT is 4. So in the solution, what do we have to start with? We have to start with the greater distance. Let's take the greater distance. This is 1. Then what is the next step, students? We have to add the remaining 2, the smaller 2. Okay, let's take them. I'll add distance ST plus distance RT, which is equal to 6 plus 4, equal to 10 units. We number this statement as 2. Now from 1 and 2, what do we get? Are these distances equal? Is 8 equal to 10? No. So how do we write the statement? We write this in this manner. Distance RS is not equal to distance ST plus distance RT. Now when it is not equal, I have already told you the points will not be collinear. So if the points are not collinear, betweenness will also not exist. Okay, so we write this statement. Points R, S, T are not collinear and hence betweenness does not exist. So here if they are not collinear, we don't have to draw the line. Clear, students? Let's go to the next question. We go to the next sum, that is the third sum. Now by now you must have understood what have we to take first. For the solution, we are going to start with the greatest distance and number it as 1. Okay, so I take distance AB, number it as 1. What will come in the next step? The sum of the remaining 2 distances, that is distance CA plus distance BC. Let's write this step. So distance this is equal to 9 plus 7 equal to 16. We have numbered this as 2. And from 1 and 2, what do we see? Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. So what will I write? We will write distance AB is equal to distance CA plus distance BC. So if it is equal, we know that the points are collinear. In what way they will be collinear, students? See here, this is AB is the greater distance. So which point will be between which two? Point C will be between A and B. This point C is going to be between A and B. So how do we write this? Points A, B and C are collinear such that point C is between A and B. And the betweenness is shown as A dash C dash B. because I told you C is going to lie between A and B, or B dash C dash A. Now if the, again I repeat, when the points are collinear, we need to be showing this line. Okay. Now in practice set 1.1, the third sub question, I have already done question number 1, 2 and 3 for you. I have solved this question for you. Students, you are requested to copy this in your book and try to do these remaining sums in your notebook on your own. Following the same steps, you will be doing this. Okay, that's all for the day, children. Thank you.